Hello friends, hope everything is fine with you guys. So here we are going to create another interesting project and it's going to be animated card hover effect. So first of all, let's create our document. All right, let's change the title. Next, inside body, we will have a card container. Next, inside this card container, we will have a card. So div with a class of card. Now for this card, we will be having two sides, one front side and one back side. Okay, so let's create a div with a class of card face, and we will have one more class which is card front. And here we will write here say glowy front because we are going to make it glowy. Yes, friend. All right. Next, we will have the back side. So class of card face and yes, card back. And again, we are going to make it glowy back, or let's make it something neon back. Neon back. Okay, now let's hit save. Now that's the whole HTML. Yes, friend, we have a card container. Inside it, we have a card, and that we are going to have two card faces, one for front and another for back. All right, now let's start styling, and that we are going to do in our next lecture.